this next race. A perfect 72 degrees and 50% humidity here today at Lash FX Downs. It's a race for perfection, folks. Let's have a look at the field as they move into the barrier. There's Volume Mastery, one of the favourites to win. Those Darn Tweezers moves in, having some difficulty picking up too. Classic .25, a blast from the past, definitely past his prime. No More Stickies, stepping up the pace and a great contender. A Flair Affair, no proven track records. Some say a one-hit wonder, we'll find out here today. And the last into the barrier is 4-week retention, showing some promise, but will this filly deliver? That's the big question. As they move into the barrier, they're all in now, lights on. Racing now. Oh, they're off in a good line too. A Flair Affair leads them out as pace setter. Those Damn Tweezers sits in behind, and No More Stickies is one out, one back in third. Volume Mastery is back on the rail in fourth, with 4-week retention sitting comfortably just in front of Classic .25, who's right at the back of the field. As they head around the first turn, it's Those Darn Tweezers now taking the lead from A Flair Affair. The favourite in Volume Mastery now moving up into third. No More Stickies certainly stepping up the pace early on here. 4-week retention still happy to sit back off the pace, and Classic .25 just doesn't look like he's up to it, continues to bring up the rear. The pace is starting to pick up now as they round the final turn. Only a millimetre between these horses, ladies and gents, pushing their limits. And here comes 4-week retention. 5 wide and moving up quick, showing some real promise. Those Darn Tweezers still has a nose in front of Flair Affair. No More Stickies also finding something now. 4-week retention still coming and joins the leaders. They're right across the track. Those Darn Tweezers, A Flair Affair, No More Stickies, and 4-week retention as they hit the line together. Oh, it's 4-week retention. 4-week retention has won it. Photo for second and third, but looks to be Those Darn Tweezers by a short half head for second, just in front of No More Stickies. A Flair Affair is fourth, then 2 lengths back to Volume Mastery, and it's Classic .25 who's last, but it was anyone's race. Always a dramatic photo finish, watermarks and all, at Lash FX Academy.
For more information about online continuing education for professional lash artists, visit www.thelashlife.com.